Hello all, welcome to my channel, and I think tonight is going to be end of videos about this model from Audi A3, which according to the customer does not power on at all, does not giving any output or anything else. After like 5 hours of work on this to find if it is work or not, I had to discover how to power it on fully so I can test audio amplifiers in direction if they have power or not, if they are in short circuit or no, or even if wall power supply working and supplying power to the amplifiers. These 4, so 8 channel, because each amplifier is 2 channels, maximum 80 watts per channel, but I doubt it working at that power. I think it working to much lower power, like 40 watts per channel or even 25 watts per channel, because 8 channels, each channel 80 watts is like 640 watts. Here maximum power which can be handled by these or these rectifiers is like 300 watts, so we can count that these 8 working 30 watts each per channel, so 8 multiplied with 30 is 240 watts, so that is approximately maximum power which coming from this audio amplifier. Enough about that. This from here, this is rectifier. Here voltage booster, it also making from 12 volts, it giving double supply, like plus 25, minus 25 volts, and 0 in between. So that is how this booster modifying voltage which coming from input. From here there is a little power supply here, which transferring power supply to this board here. This MCU should react on input from dashboard, somewhere from commands, react and power on this power supply. As I'm missing that, I had to simulate that. That is this wire here with 4.7 kilo ohm resistors on it. So I simulating logic signal for power on, which coming, you watch previous video and you will see circuit, wall circuit in different part of videos about where it comes, how it power on, and so on. This is not video about that. So what I'm going to do tonight is to power it on, monitor current to show you what happening, how it happening, as well to show you that everything work, but these crystals does not have any frequency on them. These crystals are regulating clock signals for these two MCU. There is nothing on these crystals, so I see, I can say it's working, but it's waiting for something. I will tell you after I power it on. This wire here is just ground, so I can attach all what I need to the ground. It's on. It have 12 volts output current, just 20 milliamps idling. So now look at now current. Almost 200 milliamps initial start then drops to 110 milliamps, which is state of waiting. Okay, now to show you, here we have minus 25 volts, as you can see. Here we have minus 25, here we have 25 volts, so there is 0 as well. That is for powering these. They are okay, all of them working. I tested, it's not problem with audio. So now we have 5 volts here, and there is as well line 12 volts somewhere here. Look at it. 12 volts. Here is two optical cables. Those are audio signals which coming from MP3 player, USB, MP3, CD, MP3, radio, tuner, and this is just logic which communicating with CAN bus, with echo in car. What happening here? This board, you've seen when I power it on, initial current going to be, we will see now, initial you don't see on the screen because it's going over USB, it's slow to response. I seen it. It's going up to 300 milliamps initially and drops down. You don't see that, you see only about 200 milliamps on the screen. What happened? It's fast, and this board waiting for handshake from CAN bus and from audio system in car. There is no signals here. It's going into deep sleep state. That is why we do not have here any signal. To show you that as well, let me show you that also. Ground connection here. So let me show you on this one crystal. There is nothing, as you can see, nothing happening on the screen. Another crystal, nothing. It should happen something, then we will search for signal. What happening here? I told you. It awaiting from for handshake from CAN bus, as well from handshake from audio equipment, digital signal. It does not have any of these. It's not detected any input on this connector. It go in deep sleep. That is what I have diagnosed with this. So it came to me fully. Someone said to my customer that this is broken. It's not broken. This is fully functional model, fully. It working. There is just that in car some signals from dashboard missing, does not coming to this board, and this board does not power on. That is end of story about this device. I lost 5-6 hours to discover how to power on this device so I can test it fully that it working. You able to see that in previous videos, and this is just end of story, final conclusion. As I refusing to work on anyone's car, I will just point customer to go to good electricians, auto electricians who knows how to diagnose problems with CAN bus or digital audio signals and so on. That would be all about Audi A3 audio and repair. Actually, I had nothing to repair here, but it took my time to find how to power it on and test it on the desktop. So even you learned how you can power on this this model without full electronic in car and test it. You cannot test digital side, but you can see if it act normally, how it should act. That is, when you power it on, it power on. It takes some current to look for handshaking signals from the car. I told you CAN bus and audio digital signals. Nothing is detected. It's going to deep sleep and does not power on audio amplifier. Now you can become member of my channel, and with that you can get direct support on my Discord channel, live support with problems you got, and so on. So become member, it's cheap. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and that is all what you can do for me. See you with next video. Bye bye.